Do you need the ideal ND filter to go with your DJI Mini 4 Pro? Look nowhere else. We'll talk about the best ND filters for your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC ND Filters. Drone enthusiasts frequently choose StartRC ND Filters, and it's easy to understand why. Because they are made especially for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, these filters will fit perfectly and function at their best. The StartRC ND Filters will improve your drone photography, no matter whether you're a professional or just enjoy taking beautiful aerial pictures. Possesses superior hand-grinding technology as well as favorable chemical and physical qualities. Made using imported AGC high-definition optical glass, the double-sided, multi-layer nano-coating method can effectively protect the DJI Mini 4 Pro camera and remove glare and ghosting, allowing for great shooting results even in difficult lighting conditions. The superior optical glass structure of StartRC ND Filters is one of its best qualities. Because these filters are constructed from high-quality materials, there is very little distortion and great image clarity. You may take incredibly clear pictures and videos with StartRC ND filters that are free of any unwelcome artifacts or blur. The many options available for StartRC ND filters is another fantastic feature. These filters are available in many strengths, such as ND16, ND64, ND256, so you may select the ideal filter for your specific needs. On number 2, we have BRDRC ND Filters. Another excellent option to think about when choosing the ideal filter for your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is a BRDRC ND filter. Because these filters are made especially for the Mini 4 Pro, they fit perfectly and work at their best. BRDRC ND filters will help you advance your drone photography whether you're a hobbyist or a professional aerial photographer. The superb build quality of BRDRC ND filters is one of its most notable qualities. Since these filters are made from quality optical glass, distortion and blur-free images are guaranteed. You may always take amazing pictures thanks to the excellent color accuracy and image clarity produced by the high-quality materials used in the production of these filters. Additionally, BRDRC ND filters provide a multitude of choices to meet your specific needs. With the availability of these filters in a range of levels ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, you may have the ideal filter for any kind of light. BRDRC ND filters cover you whether you're shooting in brilliant sunlight or dimly lit environments. Using and installing BRDRC ND filters is quite simple. These filters are made to be simple to attach to and remove from your drone, making setup hassle-free. These filters' small and light construction also means you won't have to worry about your drone gaining extra weight or bulk. So these are some of the best ND filters to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.